Hello. Oh, fucking hell. Right. Well, that was a bit better than I thought. I anticipated that we had 2,800 kilos, and in actual fact we had 3,040 kilos. And I forgot that I had a battery on board, and a few motors, and a bit of stainless. So I got rid of all of that. Happy days. Happy days. So yeah, grand total of for one day's work. And bear in mind, you got to remember, I do this as like, I'm semi-retired. And I don't have to kill myself doing a job anymore. And that was 1 day's, 1.5 days work. No, 1 day's work. There's two half days. Yeah, 2.5 days to get that together. And no, sorry, a day's work. 88 quid. £88.40. So apart from lugging it all about, easy money. What time is it now? I don't know, whatever time it is now. Well, not even 11 o'clock. That's me done for the day. Happy days. Let me go. It's hot in overalls though, I've got to be honest. Blimey, O'Reilly. Oh, here we are, knobber. So, which way are we going to go? I'm going to have to go in a different way because of the bloody traffic. But whichever way I go, there's traffic lights. There's rubbish. Good chat with the boys in there. You know, it's always spoke to the boss as well. He's a good lad, and the lads in there are always good for a joke, laugh, and they know you by name. You know, and that's what I like. You know, it makes it a bit more personal, especially when you're in and out 2 or 3 times a week, like I normally am when I'm on it. But just makes all the difference. Heading back towards Christchurch now. So apologies that I haven't been recording. It's just like I was feeling like I was just churning shit out for the sake of churning shit out, you know. And it's yeah. I'm not the world's best at doing quality content. It's just whatever happens along the way. Yeah. Scimitar. In good nick, is that? Yeah, scimitar. Don't see many Reliant Scimitars on the road. That's been a bit of a modification, isn't it? Fiberglass body. They brought out those chassis were shit, but they were pretty they were a bit of a handful, because a lot of them had like 3 litre engines in them, and when all you got is a steel ladder chassis and a fiberglass body, it's like it don't weigh a lot. When you stick 3 litre engine at the front, it's like rear wheel drive, and you're away. So all I've got to do now is sweep the back of the van out, which I might do tomorrow. And I get a drink when I get in. I'm absolutely gasping. Sweep the van out, get some blankets ready for tomorrow. I've got a load of them, and there's a load of broken glass. I broke the there's a oven that went in the back with the glass doors, and I broke the bloody glass tonight, so I made a hell of a mess. So I'll sweep all the glass out, and that'll find its way into a washing machine. Which is where the broken glass, because if it wasn't like, it's not like defrauding the scrapyard, because if it had been intact it would have gone there anyway. It would have been out the back. Cute little dog. There's Christchurch. Get going here? No. So it's a good little one to the scrapyard. Clear the van out. It's had about 4 or 5 motors and a transformer. That motors out of washing machines. What do they pay? Didn't even look really. Stainless steel, I had 5 kilograms of that. On my yard, RS4. Yeah, 3 kilograms of that. No, sorry, 5 kilograms, £600 a tonne, £3. Electric motors, I had 21 kilograms. They're paying £350 a tonne, £7.35. Batteries, 13 kilogram, that's £5.85 for that one battery. Shearing, 480 kilograms, £67.20. What's that up to now? £140 still. And then I had a real shitty little catalytic converter, which was nothing to it. And that was £5. But it I just had to cut it away from the pipe, and I got £2 for that. My neighbour gave it to me, and he wanted a bit of money for it, so I said £3. quite pleased with that actually, for what it was. If I had more room, I'd keep the motors, save them all up. But I just don't have room for them, and there's 4 or 5, I say 20 kilos of them, there's 4 or 5 of them. I just ain't got the room to keep them, store them, so. Straight on I'm going. There's a bloody traffic's horrendous going that way. As we saw in the previous video, so I think I'll do this into 2. Don't want to get caught in that. But we'll probably get caught in traffic going this way. That makes a change. We're going round in a circle. Different way back home. Time for some more painkillers. I've got everything out the back alright. I did wonder whether I'd struggle, but yeah, it's alright. I think I found with a bad back, you've got to keep moving. You get a bad back and you just sit there and not do anything, then it starts to play you right up. So here we go. I bet there's traffic lights. Whichever way you go, there's bloody traffic lights. Look. The only other way to get to where I live is going a right old convoluted route out. Is that a... I don't believe there's a washing machine there. Oh my word, I'm going to have to pick it up. I'm going to have to. What does it say? Does it say free by any chance? Scrap. Sounds good to me. I'll have it. We're having it. I'll speak to you in a minute. Well, that was heavy. That's full of water. That was very heavy. Oh, green light. Still a green light. I can't go by. I want an empty van, but I can't go by with that in the back without picking that up. It's like free money. It's like 15 quid there, lying on the side of the road. You don't drive by 15 quid, do you? Strip the motor out, it makes it a bit lighter. Turn it upside down, strip the cable out. On the back of the drum there's a aluminium wheel where the belt goes to spin the drum. So we'll have that off if we can. Sometimes they just they don't come off. I need to get an extension bar, a bit of torque on it. And what else we got? Yeah, that's about it really. got a sweat on. Hi Cliff. That was alright. Green light. Yep, we're still going. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Go on, we've got a green light. It is warm. I say, I don't know how I'm in a bloody boiler suit. All in a bag suit. Right. If I go right, there's traffic lights. If I go left, there's traffic lights. More traffic lights. So if I'd have gone the other way, which I was going to go, the way I'd normally go, I wouldn't have picked up the washing machine, would I? Wouldn't have seen it there. Was moving around in the back. Aye, aye, aye. Right, nearly home, nearly home. I'll have a couple of videos to put up. So like I said, sorry that I haven't been putting stuff up. It's just like, you know, I haven't been feeling it. Stay there, my son. Stay. I haven't been feeling it. I haven't been anywhere. So not much to record when you're not being anywhere, not going anywhere. And on the odd few times that I have been at, I just haven't. Well, you don't want to be hear me moaning and groaning and bumping me gums. There we go, bloody traffic lights again. Only get in, have a drink, take some painkillers, and then work out what we're doing. Oh, green light. Come on, stop waving your hands about. Drive the bloody car. We're through. We're committed. Right, I'll speak to you later. I'll try not to leave it so long until the next one. I'll try. I'll speak to you later. Cheers, and thanks for putting up with me. Thank you. Speak to you later.